Exercise 5.6, question numbers 1 and 2. Now before that, we have already learned the classification of triangles. We can classify the triangles based on sides and as well as based on angles. Let me just have a look at these figures. Now here you can see triangle ABC and all the three sides are of same measure. AB equal to BC equal to CA and which is equal to 6 centimeter. So what is the name of this type of triangle? Triangle ABC, we can name it as equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So all the three sides are of same measure. Equilateral triangle. Now look at triangle DF. Here you can see that two sides are of same length. So we can put a marking like this. So these two sides are of same length. So what is the name of the triangle? The triangle name is isosceles. So the triangle we can call it as an isosceles triangle. Now what is the name of the third side? Third side we can call it as the base. And here the angles lying on the base are equal. So these two angles will be equal. Angle D and angle F. Here you can see that in the case of equilateral triangle, all the three angles are of same measure. And what is the measure? Each angle is equal to 60 degree. So whatever be the length of the sides, the angle measure for the equilateral triangle, that will be equal to 60 degree. But in the case of isosceles triangle, only two angles are equal and two sides are also of a same length. And these angles are opposite to the equal sides. Now look at the third one. Here you can see that the length of the sides are different. AB is not equal to AB. Length of AB is not equal to length of BC, not equal to length of CA. All the three sides are of different measure and we can call the triangle as a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. And the angles are also different. Angle A is not equal to angle B, not equal to angle C. Three different angles. Now next, now consider the triangle XYZ. So here the angles are given. Now look at the angle. What is the measure of? The measure of, or you can see that the measure is less than 90 degree. So if each angle is less than 90 degree, and we can say the triangle is an acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. So you can see three acute angles. So in the case of an acute angle triangle, you can see how many acute angles? Three acute angles. Acute angle means the angle measure is less than 90 degree. Now next one, triangle ABC. Now look at the measure of angle B. What is that? 110 degree. So it is greater than 90 degree. You can see that 110 is an obtuse angle. And if one angle is obtuse, only one angle you want to look into. One obtuse angle is there. The name of the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So triangle ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. So one obtuse angle. And here triangle XYZ. And this square box indicates that the angle measure is 90 degree. That means one angle is 90 degree. One angle is a right angle. Then the name of the triangle is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So if you are getting a question, if you want, you can just draw the rough figure and you can mark the measures, and after that you can see that what type of triangle is given. Now we will start the exercise. Exercise 5.6. Name the types of following triangles. You have to name it. Triangle with the length of sides 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. So three different measures. So if three different measures are given, that means the length of the sides are different. The name of the triangle is scalene triangle. The name of the triangle is scalene triangle. Now, triangle ABC with the AB 8.7 centimeter, AC 7 centimeter and BC 6 centimeter. If you want, you can just draw a triangle. We can name the triangle ABC. We can mark the measures AB 8.7 centimeter, BC 6 centimeter and AC 7 centimeter. What about the length of the sides? Whether they are equal? No, they are different. So, what type of triangle? It is a scalene triangle. So, here also the answer is a scalene triangle. Next one. Triangle PQR such that PQ equal to QR equal to PR equal to 5 centimeter. All the three sides are of same length. So, what is the name of the triangle? It is an equilateral triangle. So, equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. If you want, you can draw the figure, rough figure, and you can mark the measure, and you can see that it is an equilateral triangle. Now, triangle DF with the measure of angle D equal to 90 degree. Measure of angle D. So, if one angle is right angle, the shape of the triangle is in this way. And one angle is a right angle. And we can say that it is a what type of triangle? Right angle triangle. So, one angle is a right angle, the triangle will be a right angle triangle. So, the answer is right angled. So, we can draw the right angle triangle. In this way also we can draw, and we can see that the angle is a 90 degree, then it will be a right angle triangle. Now, triangle XYZ with the measure of angle Y equal to 90 degree and XY equal to YZ. Two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. If two sides are equal, what type of triangle? Isosceles. And one angle is 90 degree, what we can say? It is a right angle triangle. So, we can name the triangle as isosceles right angle triangle. Angle Y 90 degree, XY, YZ. So, XY is equal to YZ. XY is equal to YZ. So, this marking indicates that these two sides are of same length. So, XY is equal to YZ. So, XY equal to YZ, therefore, we can say that it is an isosceles triangle and one angle is 90 degree. Therefore, the name of the triangle is isosceles right angled. Isosceles right angled. Now, next, triangle LMN with measure of angle L. M stands for measure. Measure of angle L 30 degree, measure of angle M 70 degree and measure of angle N 80 degree. Three angles are given. And what type of angles? These three angles, they are acute angles. Therefore, the name of the triangle is acute angle triangle. So, three angles are given and all the three angles are acute angles. So, the name of the triangle is acute angle triangle. Now, next one, match the following. So, three sides of first one, three sides of equal length. All the three sides are of same length. The name of the triangle is equilateral, equilateral triangle. So, the first one, the answer is E. Then, second one, two sides of equal length. Two sides. When two sides of equal length, what is the name of the triangle? It will be isosceles. It will be an isosceles triangle. So, the answer is isosceles triangle. Now, third one, all sides are of different length. The three sides are of different length. What is the name of the triangle? It will be a scalene triangle. So, scalene triangle. So, third one, the answer is A, scalene triangle. Now, fourth one, three acute angles. If all the three angles are acute, we can call it as an acute angle triangle. So, acute angle triangle. Then fifth one right angle. If only one right angle is there, what is the name of the triangle? Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Then one obtuse angle, only one obtuse angle. Therefore, the name of the triangle is obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. Now next, one right angle with the two sides of equal length. One right angle with the two sides of equal length. One right angle with the two sides of equal length. Which one? Isosceles right angle triangle. Two sides are equal, therefore it is an isosceles triangle, and one angle is 90 degree, therefore it is a right angle also. So we can name the triangle as isosceles right angle triangle. Now homework exercise 5.6 question number 3. Now you have to look at the textbook and you have to write down the answer in the textbook itself. The figures are given, you have to name what type of triangle is given. That's all for today's class. Thank you.